figured out.
That is a seal. Come over here. Come over. Shh, 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 shh. Griffin, Griffin. Yeah, but be quiet though, okay? Be very quiet. Be very quiet. See if he comes back, okay? See if he comes back. See if he comes back. No, that's a duck. Okay, be quiet now. He stays underwater for a long time. There he is. There he is. There he is. Shh, shh, shh. It's a seal. It's a seal. He went back underwater.
Got a middle linebacker right here.
Okay, buddy.
Here comes the running back.
Stay out of his way. Stay out of his way.
Boom!
You're silly. You're silly. Where'd that seal go? Darn it. Griffin, now don't get in people's way, okay? Okay, I guess he's gone.